Hello, everyone. Day 187 of coronavirus quarantine. We have 29.954 million cases worldwide. And the smoke from the wildfires is all across the frickin' country now. New York City has it. Okay? And South Dakota's burning now. So it's in the middle of the country now. South Dakota. Burning. And Hurricane Sally made landfall this morning. It does not look good at all. It is going to... Well, it entered... I don't remember where it entered. Somewhere in Louisiana. But it's going to go like through Georgia to like North Carolina. Yeah, it's bad, but it's gonna get worse. What else did I see last night? Oh, I know the ACMs are gonna be held in like 3 different locations. Haven't heard about whether or not Netflix got shut down because of that disgusting act I talked about yesterday. What else, really? The high today was supposed to be like 79. You can see me sweating already. And there's a car coming, so I'm not going to go out to the rock. I should also, yeah. Yeah, that's a car. Yeah, well, I grabbed it and I ripped off some leaves. And let's just go out to the rock. Carefully. Anyway, there's the rock right there. I don't know, let's go back to our standing point. Yeah, standing point. Man. Wait, that haystack's almost 4 months old now, but it's starting to go away. I said it's been there since like late May, and now it's mid-September. What else? Oh, yeah, here's a little stick right there. Right there. I'm gonna throw it. I feel like sitting down, but it's on grass. I could sit down on that, but I don't use it. Plus, I'm too big. If I get in that thing, I'm gonna break it down, trust me. Alright. Yeah, glasses. Alright. Let's go. I'm not even gonna try getting on this thing. It's already very, very unstable. If you see the hole. You know, with how low it is to the ground, I can't try. Even. Let's go out to the edge of the driveway. Oh no, there's a car coming. I'm gonna sit down. Well, no, I'm not. Yeah, I'm sitting down. Don't think I've ever really sitting down on the grass here on camera before. don't think there's going to be very many opportunities where I'm going to be able to. Yes, you just saw the motorcycle. I don't think it knows it was on camera. You see the cornfield behind me. Yeah, Portland is the worst air quality in the world. Portland, Oregon, Seattle, Los Angeles, San Francisco, they're up there. Because it's just horrible over there. The smoke's in frickin' New York City. I mean, yeah. Just looking at the grass blowing. I just have a blade of grass in my hand right here. Man, starting to lose energy, so I'm starting to hold the camera, hold my phone lower. Oops. There's a bug on my arm. You see, that's the problem with getting on this low. There's where bugs are. I'm not gonna stand back up right now, though. Okay. Oh, this is the first time I've done this. Alright, you can see my finger right there. And there's a piece of bark down there with the hay stuck. Blade of grass right there. And I'm rubbing the tripod with. Alright, it's about time I get back up, isn't it? Gosh darn it. Okay. I'm up. Subscribe to my channel. I have got to go now. Bye.